Hi everyone, welcome to week 8. We are halfway through this course, and this week we're going to start to talk about care planning. You will notice that our care planning week is also tying in with care planning in our other class, so there will be some overlap because this is a big unit. We will spend 2 weeks in this course on care planning. The aspects of care planning for this course are going to be focused on the prevention side of the care plan. So your self-care for your client, so toothbrushing, flossing, interdental aids, talking to your client about fluoride, about different prevention that they can use daily. You're going to also educate your client on their diagnosis. So if they have gingivitis or periodontitis, or if they have a risk diagnosis, they're at risk for caries, or self-care for tobacco use. So these are the types of things we're going to talk about. This week, the outcomes are there. There are 2 PowerPoints. There's documents that we use in clinic, so your EMR forms are there. You've seen these before. There's a link to the ODHA, which has fact sheets, which are really helpful when planning a self-care session. You can also refer to these for your own fact sheet assignment, but make sure you're referencing where you're getting your information. This is an example of an oral cancer self-screening, one done by a hygienist. This is an oral cancer link. So a big part of your care plan that we're talking about this week is including in there a self-care for cancer for your client. And that's why I've included these links. And then there is a practice discussion board, no marks associated this week, but you will be doing something like this next week as well as on the test in week 10. So it's a good practice to be able to just do this. You can post it. You don't have to post it, but you can. And that way you have an opportunity to practice. I will be looking at them if they're posted, and if I see anything that's really incorrect, then I will definitely correct you. We have a guest speaker coming from Colgate this week, and she will be coming to our Common Hour. So make sure that you attend Common Hour, as this is related to course content in both classes, caries management and desensitization. We will not have an in-class this week for this class, so you don't have to attend Thursday at 11 or Thursday at 2, but you do have to attend Common Hour. There is a weekly checklist and summary, and make sure you're continuing to work on the fact sheets. I am marking those, and those should be back to you shortly with some feedback as you move forward, as they are due in week 11. Again, don't hesitate to ask if you have questions, and I will see you on Thursday.